Alright, so I don't know how much was recorded. I've got 136 volts coming into solar, which I believe is over your maximum here, but I couldn't get to do anything until I got up to that amount, so at least I got a result. But here is the voltage at the solar. It's resetting all the time. Here is the voltage at the battery, 55. The Shine phone wants me to reset it every time I launch the application. So I'm going to launch Shine phone. It says scan the QR code. Right now it's green. I'm scanning the code. I hope it got the whole thing. It didn't. Those numbers are correct. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say, so it's solid green now, 2.45 gigahertz. Now it says reset. So I will do the reset, poke. Now it's blinking a bunch of times. I have to go find my other network, which is this. Okay. I'm going back to Shine phone. I'm going to say next step. It's solid blue. Next step. Next step. Configure. Admin password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Login. It goes to this screen, which looks like this is where I'm supposed to hit apply. So I'll hit apply. Successfully. Restart to use new setting. This thing's still blue. Restart. I come back to this screen. I've got all three LEDs on. If I put a password back in here again, it doesn't do anything. So I'm going to see if this light changes on me. I'm assuming the data log is restarting, but I'm not sure. The inverter is still cycling with error 3 for voltage, which I'm guessing now is photovoltaic. I'm going to reduce that voltage and pull a panel out of the system tomorrow. All right, back to here, we're solid green, which I assume is everything working. I'll go back to here. I want to configure it again. Okay, let's go back. The name of the connected Wi-Fi is different than the data logger. Hotspot. All right, I'm going to change it again to no, I want the data logger, and it doesn't appear here anyway. So the data logger goes away during the configure process, and all I can do is start over again and do the exact same steps I did before. So that's where we're at. I'm going to shut the whole thing down, and hopefully I can get an answer. Thanks.